Hey Jordan, it's me.
Oh, hey, John, what's going on, bro? I haven't heard from you since you've been in the hospital. Just decided to do some school and stuff like that. Decided to probably take a month off or two.
Yeah, month.
Yeah, a month.
How about 4?
4 months? Frick you mean 4 months?
Check yourself, real quick. November.
Dude is lying. Cooking with JJ! Hold up. Cooking with JJ! Okay. I know. Oh, crap. Okay. Living with my parents is, kind of easy. Being unable to cook kind of makes it harder, like other stuff like that. But anyways, we've made some dishes. However, we have a lot more to go. The journey to become the greatest chef of all. My name is Jordan Rucker, and today we are back with another Cooking with JJ. Hey, audience, can y'all clap for me? Okay, guys, now that we're back from doing some stuff, how about we do another Cooking with... John, look at your lines, bro. Excuse me? Excuse me, what did you just say? Nah, I'm just kidding. Nah, I don't do that, guys. I don't do that. So, guys, for today, I thought about what we can make. We made a whole bunch of stuff. We made 2 dinners, which is Chinese food, macaroni and cheese with a side of dessert. But we've also made breakfast. Now, the one thing that Chef JJ hasn't done is lunch. Y'all like that Zoom, huh? Y'all are like, yo, Jordan, what kind of freaking lunch could you actually make? So, since we hit 80 subscribers, how about we make this 3 dishes? We are going to make a lemonade shake with macaroni and cheese with grilled cheese, okay? But hold up. Put y'all a little bit lower. Okay, I don't think y'all can see. Alright, you guys. Alright, now that y'all know, I don't got my chef garment on. So go ahead, close your eyes for me, please. To put the butter on top, and then once we get the cheese out from the freezer, okay, that's the freezer right there. And I know y'all think I'm pointing at the wall, but I'm actually pointing at the freezer. But anyways, let's go ahead and grab some macaroni and cheese. So now that we got, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here, see what we need. How about we finish it off? How about a little bit of dessert? But we're gonna do this my way. Cooking with JJ style. So we're gonna have a peanut butter Jif. And hopefully they ain't talking about my brother named Jeff. I think that's all we're gonna need for now. So let's go ahead and hook up the bacon. The bacon must come first. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this up to high. Now what we're gonna do, now that the dishes in here are clean, well, except for this, because there's still more grease on it and everything. Wait a minute, I need the butter in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Yes sir. I need him. I need him out here, coach. I need him out here. I need him, coach. I need him, coach. Yo, what's good, Daddy? Nothing much. Now, be careful when you're cooking this because you know how to butter pat, pat.
No,
pat
you're not gonna.
thing or whatever. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, grab the, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh my gosh. Yeah, I think that's okay. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. So we're gonna set that there for now. We come over to the microwave, time cook. See, the way how you work this is that you need 3 minutes on the clock. So let's go ahead and start this sucker. Hey Dad, you go ahead and play some Tekken 4? Oh, Star Wars, huh? Me. So, now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and clean this. So, I'm gonna go ahead, bring this stuff over here. Let's put you guys over here. Hey, don't look over there. Okay. Woo! So now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and take this bada, boom, and pop. So now what we're gonna do, go ahead and, I know y'all can't hear me over the microwave, so. Hey guys, don't ever smell this, because if there's bacon stuff on this, it smells bad. So now what we're gonna do, I don't know how long I've been recording this thing. I don't know how long I've been recording off this sucker. So let's go ahead. Where's the rag? We're gonna go ahead and take the rag, just dry it off. Take some brush. Clean pan. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put this away. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this sucker back. See this? I don't know what this is. Now once that goes off, don't mind the video games in the back. My dad's just playing on the PS. So now what we're gonna do, I see you. We're gonna go ahead and put that away. We'll throw that away. Now that we're done with this, here, let's go ahead and set y'all over here. that we're done with that, let's go ahead. We're just gonna go ahead and grab this. Look at all that. What we're gonna do is take these two. We're gonna go ahead and grab the scissors. Cut the cheese open. Hey, we don't allow that junk here in the kitchen. You hear me? I'm gonna have to slice you. So now we're gonna do bot, bada, bot, boom, and pow. Gonna take a spoon. Let's go ahead and start this up. So now what we're gonna do, just stir it around. Hey, I'm about to gross y'all out, but listen to this. So now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and put it on the plate. Okay, now that we got our meal, macaroni and cheese, bacon, and let's go ahead and do this. Oh wow. Okay guys, let's go ahead and shut down the side. Don't mind him playing Star Wars, okay? What did I say about you judging us? Alright you guys, so now that I'm done, now that I put my meal beside, it tastes good, but go ahead and let your boy know what I like, and probably put down in the comments what should I cook next on the next Cooking with JJ. Also guys, I also want to give out an announcement. Every Monday we do comment section, every Animated Wednesday, every single day we do games. Sometimes we skip a day where I have important stuff. But guys, when I do my stuff, I'm talking about, y'all remember my first movie Friday? That was legit, right? So what I want y'all to do is go down in the comments, ask me what I should cook next. But until then, I'm gonna enjoy this bowl of macaroni and cheese. Oh.